North India continues to battle intense heat wave condition, but there is some relief in sight as the southwest monsoon steadily advances across the country. The Indian Meteorological Department or IMD has indicated that Delhi NCR is likely to receive the monsoon during in the last week of June, most likely between June 25 and June 30. Although the monsoon arrived in Kerala slightly later than usual this year, weather experts say conditions are becoming favorable for its gradual movement towards central and northern India. As of now, the monsoon has already covered large part of southern India and is steadily progressing northward. If the current pace continues, residents of Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad, and nearby areas can expect much needed relief from the scorching heat by the end of the month. Until then, North India will continue to experience high temperatures and heat waves conditions. Several regions across Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Delhi are witnessing temperatures ranging between 44 and 46 degrees Celsius. The IMD has warned that temperatures may rise further by 2 to 4 degrees in some areas over the next few days. The combinations of intense sunlight, hot winds, and dry weather has made daily life difficult for residents. Health experts are advising people to remain hydrated, avoid prolonged exposures to direct sunlight, and take precautions against heat-related illnesses such as dehydration, heat exhaustions, and heat strokes. Children, elderly peoples, and those who existing health conditions are being urged to take extra care during this period. Punjab in particular is facing one of the toughest spells of summer this season. Many districts in the state have recorded temperatures above 44 degrees Celsius, prompting authorities to issue advisories and cautious residents against venturing outdoors during peak afternoon hours. The extreme heat is not only affecting public health, but it also placing immense pressure on the state's power infrastructure. As households increasingly depends on air conditioner, coolers and fans to cope with the soaring temperature, electricity demands has surged significantly. The situation has become even more challenging due to the beginning of the paddy transplantation season, during which farmers require large amounts of electricity to operate irrigation system and tube wells. As a result, power consumption has touched records levels and officials expect demands to increase further if the heat wave persists. Power utilities across Punjab are making efforts to ensure uninterrupted electricity supplies by boosting generation and purchasing additional power whenever necessary. Despite these measures, the growing demands highlights the impact of prolonged high temperatures on both urban and rural areas. At the same time, weather experts believe that the advancing monsoon could eventually provide relief not only from the intense heat but also from the rising pressures on the power sector. Meteorologists say atmospheric conditions remain favorable for the further advancements of the monsoon across western and central India in the coming days. Before reaching North India, the monsoon is expected to bring widespread rainfall across several central regions, gradually moving towards the northern plains. For now, residents are being advised to remain cautious and follow safety guidelines during the heat wave. People should drink plenty of water, wear light and comfortable clothing, avoid outdoor activities during the hottest part of the day, and keep vulnerable family members protected from extreme temperature. While the wait for monsoon showers continues, there is growing optimism that the end of June will finally bring cooler temperature, rain-bearing good, and much-needed reliefs to millions across Delhi, NCR, Punjab, and the rest of North India. Until then, the heat waves remains the dominant weather story across the region. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.